Gary Salo, Golden Motor Canada. Today I'm going to show you the 3 different wire harnesses we've had for the Magic Pi 3 and the Smart Pis. This is the original with the white lettering. These came out with the original Magic Pi 3s. And when you went to plug this into the controller, there was a large plug here, and it had 2 arrows you would line up and push the plugs together, and that's how it hooked to the controller. And there was individual plugs for each of the controls on the handlebar. They all have different number of pins and numbers, so you could put them together quite easily. Anyway, that's version 1. Then we moved on to version 2. Don't mind the material on the table, I'm working outside today, I always like to do that. So this is version 2, it has the green lettering on it. It doesn't have the 2-button switch plugged in, but you can get the idea here. Had the same plug, so when you're plugging into the controller you had to line up the arrow on the plug and then plug it into the controller or the motor for the bike. So that's version 2 of the Magic Pi 3s, and the original Smart Pis came out with those as well. And now we're up to version 3. So now we have this here instead of the triangular plug, and it's got 4 small plugs coming off of it. Each one is far better made, much better waterproofing, and you just spin them until they line up and then push it together. They click tight. So that's quite an improvement. Also where the controller plug is, much more waterproof. I don't know how well you can see in there. And to hook it together you just spin it, you don't have to line up any arrows, and then push it together. So this is what we're currently shipping all of our Magic Pi 3s and Smart Pis with now. Version 3 of the Magic Pi 3 wire harness. And there you go. Gary Salo, Golden Motor Canada.